For this project, you need a pair of witch's shoes. I got these at the thrift store for like $3. I also got some stockings, and then you'll want some glue and a paintbrush to paint that on. You will also need some glitter, so I will be doing black, but you can do red. And then you'll want some sort of light to shine on it at night. You will also need 2 pool noodles and 2 wooden dowels. To stuff the leggings, you will need fluff or something, but honestly, if you go to Walmart and buy a pillow, it's $3. It's way cheaper. I'm gonna start by putting some glue all along the shoe, and then we're gonna paint it on. So I'm just gonna paint this on. It doesn't really have to be perfect because you're gonna see it at night, so you won't be able to see all those little imperfections, but you know, try to get the glue on everything if you can. Now we're gonna take our glitter and we're just gonna start putting that all over the shoe. Now place your shoes somewhere where they can dry and move on to the next step. I'm gonna start by taking my pool noodle and I'm gonna cut this at an angle so that it fits in the shoe nicely. So I'm just gonna cut through this like that, okay? This way, when it's ready to put it in the shoe, it fits in there nicely. Then go ahead and place your dowel inside your pool noodle. This will help give it some structure so it won't like wiggle around so much. Now I'm going to place the stocking on the pool noodle. And as you can see, it's a little loose, so I am going to fill this with some stuffing. The best way to do this though is to kind of roll the stocking up like this and start with small pieces. So I am going to take this and shove that in there. I'm putting a little bit more right below the part we cut off, so it kind of makes like a heel. Now I'm going to take the stuffing and just kind of wrap it around the pool noodle and pull this down a little bit like that. And then we'll do the next section. And then I'm going to pull that down more. Now when you start getting towards the end, you do want to add a little bit more because this was technically like what the thigh would be, and that's always a little bit bigger than the bottom. Once you get the leg shape you want, just pull down the stocking a little bit, and we're going to tape this with some black tape. Now duct tape is probably the best, but all I have is electrical tape, so that'll have to do. And we're just gonna attach it. That way the stocking doesn't slide down. Once you're all done, just take a quick peek and try to get them as even as you can. Now you just have to place the legs inside of a pot, or you can put them inside a bush. This is what they'll look like at night. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video.